Hey guys, and today I'm just gonna show you an origami designed by Jeremy Shaver, and this is called the Squishy Spring to Action Tessellation Tower. Well, there's a simple version of this, but I managed to do a 16 version. So you can see this is made by regular printer paper that you can get from any printing machine. And here's the one with thicker paper. And you can see how it looks like you can actually stretch it, and you can squish it from here, and this is how it works. So wait a minute, oh no, oh there we go. So it goes from a tower.
Let's go.
It goes from a tower into another tower.
Let's go.
And you just back to another tower. And you can see how the action.
Okay.
And you can see right here, there's a little tiny spring to action right here that makes this effect. So yeah. And here's my other printer paper version. Oh, I just dropped the other one.
It follows the manga or whatever.
So yeah, it's the same thing. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, so let me just get the other one. It just fell. So yeah, so I just want to show you this because I like how it works. And it's just from paper. So pretty cool. And yeah. So yeah, that's all I want to tell you. That's all I want to show. And thanks for watching.